The question is, why is there a mobile app to begin with? It has one or two things that you might need on the run, right? Like if we want to check something very quickly or do something very quickly. And I think if the top reason that people drop off so quickly is because they don't find value, then here what we need to do is ensure that these key features, right, or champions features that we can drive as very, very quickly, in my opinion.
I think like the things that's also happening quite a lot with the mobile app, especially when companies do have the web version and the mobile version, is that the mobile is kind of like an afterthought. It's like nice to have, but they do not put too much effort to that. What are your thoughts on that, Kevin?
I would echo, I think, what Yasin has mentioned. I think it's quite simple in that it is very much overcomplicated in a lot of cases. Yasin mentioned the context is everything. Why is it mobile? Because there's particular use cases where you're going to be needing to use that app on the go. I think that comes back to as well the way in which you want to engage your user. If they're on the go, they've got a particular task that they've just jumped into the application to complete. If it's, say, a HR software, they're trying to book a day off, or a financial app where they're trying to log an expense report. You need to empathize with that user. They are on the go. If now you start completely overwhelming them with a huge amount of information, it's going to be a really poor experience. It needs to be focused, clear, concise, help them to achieve the task and move on because they're on the move.